Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. So I am back with a new recipe. This is a Kerala style mutton stew. So this is a non-veg recipe in mutton, but it's truly a comfort food. So let's find out how to prepare this particular recipe. So the ingredients that we are going to require to make this recipe is of course the mutton. So I have taken 500 grams of mutton, some cubed potatoes, sliced onion. Please find all the measurement in the description box. And here is first extract and the second extract of coconut milk. Again, I have a video how to prepare it. Some pepper powder, crushed ginger and garlic, green chili. So this is kind of a Kerala style green chili. We call it unda molaga. You can use any kind of green chili. Whole spices, some curry leaves and mustard seeds for tempering. I usually marinate chicken or mutton with some salt and turmeric for obvious reason before keeping it in the refrigerator. So you shall marinate the mutton with salt and pepper, and it's optional to use turmeric as stew is usually in cream color. So into the cooker I have added some oil. So I have used coconut oil. You can use oil as per your choice. And then once it's heated, add the whole spices and curry leaves and let them crackle. Then add the sliced onion and saute until it comes to a nice translucent color. So you can also add salt so that it gets into that stage quickly. For this particular recipe, the onion just needs to come to a translucent stage, and then you add the slitted green chilies and crushed garlic and ginger. Saute it until the raw smell subsides. Now add the mutton and mix it well. Now let's add the second extract of coconut milk into the cooker. Now add some salt as per your taste, and finally add the potatoes and close the lid and let it cook in the cooker for 2 to 3 whistles. The duration of the pressure cooker depends on the quality and the type of mutton. So here it just took me 2 whistles and it was ready. Once the potato and the mutton is cooked, let's add the first extract of coconut milk and give a good stir. After adding the first extract, let the curry heat but not boil. So once that's done, keep the cooker aside. Take a kadai, add some coconut oil or the oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, let's add the mustard seed and curry leaves to temper. Let's transfer the stew into the kadai. Mix it well and let's cook it for 5 to 7 minutes till the gravy becomes a little thick. After the stew is ready, turn off the gas and let the stew rest for half an hour so all the flavors settle in and you will get to enjoy the flavor of stew to its fullest. The stew complements really well with appam, idiyappam, puttu roti, bread or pathiri, any kind of like rices like jeera rice or naishor. So do give it a try. It's a very simple recipe and it can really make your day extra special. So until then, stay safe, have lots of good food, and I'll be back with many more recipes. Till then, bye bye, take care and have lots of fun. Bye bye.